Google Messages can now share live location right inside chat, and this is one of those features that quietly changes how you communicate day to day. Instead of switching between apps just to send your location, you can now do everything in one place. This makes conversations more fluid and reduces unnecessary steps. It's especially useful in situations where timing matters and you need to quickly show someone where you are. This update removes the friction of opening maps, copying links, and pasting them into chats. It also makes communication feel more natural, almost like sharing your presence instead of just sending a message. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use live location sharing in Google Messages, step by step, using the new Find Hub integration. This feature is especially helpful for people who rely on quick coordination throughout the day. It also reduces confusion during conversations where location plays an important role. What changed with Find Hub? Google has introduced Find Hub integration inside Google Messages, allowing real-time location sharing directly within conversations. Previously, you had to rely on external apps like Google Maps to share your location. Now, the feature is built right into the messaging experience. This means fewer app switches and a much smoother workflow during conversations. It also improves reliability because everything stays within the same chat environment. The update is designed to make messaging more interactive and context-aware. Instead of sending static information, you can now share live updates about where you are. This brings messaging closer to real-time communication. It also aligns messaging with how people actually communicate in real life. You no longer have to interrupt your flow just to share where you are. Open a conversation and start location sharing. To get started, open Google Messages on your Android phone and select the conversation where you want to share your location. Tap on the attachment or plus icon in the chat interface. From there, you'll see the option to share your location through Find Hub. The interface is designed to be simple, so you don't need to dig through settings to find it. Everything is placed directly within the chat tools you already use daily. What the other person sees. When you share your location, the other person will see a live map directly inside the conversation. This map updates in real time as you move, giving them a clear idea of where you are. They don't need to open another app to view it. This makes coordination much easier, especially in busy or unfamiliar areas. It also reduces confusion because both people are looking at the same live information. How to stop sharing. If you want to stop sharing your location before the selected duration ends, you can do it directly from the chat. There will be an option to stop sharing, which immediately ends the live updates. This gives you full control over your privacy at all times. You don't have to wait for the timer to expire if your situation changes. Stopping location sharing is quick and straightforward. Once stopped, your location is no longer visible to the other person. This ensures that you stay in control of your data. This is especially important in situations where plans change suddenly. It also ensures that your location is never shared longer than intended. Good use cases: pickup, meetups, safety. Live location sharing is especially useful in real-world situations like meeting someone, coordinating pickups, or ensuring safety. For example, you can share your location while heading to a meeting point so the other person knows exactly when you'll arrive. It's also helpful when traveling or navigating unfamiliar places. In safety situations, it allows trusted contacts to track your movement in real time. This feature reduces the need for constant updates like, "I'm almost there," or "Where are you?" It makes coordination smoother and more efficient. It's also useful for parents keeping track of children in safe environments. Friends and colleagues can coordinate plans much more easily with this feature. Privacy reminder and final recap. While live location sharing is powerful, it's important to use it carefully. Always share your location only with people you trust. Google has designed this feature with privacy controls, but the responsibility still lies with the user. Be mindful of how long you share your location and who has access to it. Using shorter durations can help reduce unnecessary exposure. To recap, Google Messages now lets you share live location directly in chat using Find Hub. You can start sharing, choose a duration, and stop at any time, all without leaving the conversation. This feature makes communication faster, smarter, and more practical. It simplifies one of the most common tasks people perform on their phones. If this guide helped you understand how to use live location sharing in Google Messages, make sure to like the video and subscribe to TechFix Guides for more simple and practical tech tutorials. And in the comments, tell me, would you use live location sharing in chat or still prefer separate apps?